How to make money online with affiliate marketing in 2023. Affiliate marketing is a great way for bloggers and website owners to promote their content and drive traffic to their site. If you're looking for a way to monetize your blog or website, affiliate marketing might be the perfect solution for you. Affiliate marketing is an arrangement where a company rewards marketers, affiliates, for encouraging visitors to buy the company's products or services. In this article, we explain what affiliate marketing is, how it works, and why it's such an appealing proposition for so many people. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of performance marketing where a company rewards affiliates for generating sales. It is a great way to monetize your blog or website and can be very successful. This is because affiliates are marketing a product and service they themselves use, which makes it more trustworthy and authentic. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money online. You can make a full-time income or even a part-time income from blogging. It's a great way to get your name out there and make some extra money from your interests and passions. Affiliate marketing is when you partner with an online retailer and place links and ads on your site that direct readers to their products and earn you a commission for each sale. When readers purchase products through your links, you earn a commission as the middleman between the retailer and customer. How does affiliate marketing work? Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a publisher receives a commission when a visitor completes a purchase or certain defined action on a third-party website. Publishers are primarily compensated by the sale of goods and services offered by third-party advertisers. The actual process is simple, but the idea behind it is that you create a website or blog and then recommend goods and services related to your topic. For example, if you're a travel blogger, you might recommend an airline booking tool like Skyscanner or TripAdvisor's flight booking tool. For each visitor who makes a purchase with one of these products, you get paid a commission. As with all business ventures, it's crucial to conduct thorough market research. You don't want to waste money on a product or service that your audience isn't interested in. You can use Google AdWords' keyword planner to find out which terms your audience is interested in, and then find products related to those terms. Why is affiliate marketing so successful? Affiliate marketing is appealing because it can be done from anywhere, requires little or no capital to start, and doesn't require any employees. You can use it to monetize your blog or website and make money while doing something you love. Affiliate marketing has become increasingly popular, with 22% of consumers acknowledging that they have purchased a product after seeing an advertisement on a social media platform. Affiliate marketing is so successful because it's not one-sided. Both the publisher and advertiser benefit from it. Publishers get paid for recommending products and services that they use, and advertisers get sales leads from people who are genuinely interested in their product. 3 best practices for success with affiliate marketing. Find the right products. Do thorough market research to find the right products to promote. This way, you'll know your audience and what they want, and you'll have a better chance of success. Target the right audience. Make sure you know your target audience and know how to find them. Are they millennials or Gen Zers? Do they live in a big city or a small town? You can reach a broader audience if you want, but make sure you're pitching products and services they truly want and need. Create great content. You don't have to solely rely on advertisements to bring in revenue. You can create high-quality, long-form content related to your niche and then find ways to monetize that content. 2 predictions for affiliate marketing in 2023. More brick-and-mortar stores are going out of business. With the rise of e-commerce, some brick-and-mortar retailers will go out of business, and this opens up new marketplaces for affiliates. Affiliate marketing will become more chipped and tracked. With the rise of blockchain technology, it's likely that affiliate marketing will be more chipped and tracked. Affiliates will have to be more careful, and the process will be more thorough. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online and is more accessible for people nowadays with the rise of social media and more digital advertising. Marketers are adopting new technologies to stay ahead of the competition and maximize their revenue. As the world of digital marketing changes and evolves, there will be changes in the ways marketers make money. Affiliate marketing will likely stay one of the most lucrative ways to make money online, if not become more lucrative due to the trends we've outlined here. If you enjoyed this video and got value from it, hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.